Hi everyone, I'm Demi. Today I want to introduce our product to you. Instime aluminum garage doors are embedded with bright and clear tempered glass, or you can choose privacy glass with color for your personal privacy. The aluminum material is lightweight and easier to install, and it also increases the life of the entire garage door unit. This product uses radio remote control garage door. You cannot manually control the garage door open and close. In addition, we support any customized drawings, not limited to size, color, etc. If you like, please contact us.